Test baking whole egg versus egg white versus egg yolk with water. Break in whole egg into a cup. Separate egg white and egg yolk and put them into cups. Add lots of water to all the cups. Stir to mix together. Bake for 20 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius 320 degrees Fahrenheit. After 20 minutes of baking. First cup, whole egg with water. Texture is soft and good. Second cup, egg white with water. Liquid state, not hardened at all. Third cup, egg yolk with water. Soft texture but still watery. First cup is perfect even with lots of water. Egg yolk in third cup is okay but still watery. Second cup is a failure in liquid state.
Bake second and third cups again for 20 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius 320 degrees Fahrenheit.
After 20 minutes of baking, egg yolk is still watery. Egg white is in total liquid. Double the baking time didn't improve the excess water problem. Test with less water. Put egg white into first cup. Egg yolk into second cup. Add a little water to both cups. Stir to mix together. Bake for 20 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius 320 degrees Fahrenheit. After baking for 20 minutes, egg white is soft and firm. Egg yolk is drier. Egg yolk deals with excess water better than egg white. Excess water is a problem for both, especially egg white.